Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I have answered this question now quite a few times, but of course it looks like the honourable member cannot move away from his conspiratorial theory about the Russian mafia being involved. Mr. Speaker, sir, as discussed extensively in the May sitting of Parliament, Fiji Airways took immediate steps from March 2020 to reduce costs and preserve cash, which included stopping all non-critical projects, putting all aircraft into storage program. Like all airlines in the world, Fiji Airways approached aircraft lessors to negotiate payment deferrals. Speaker, sir, just before I continue, I wanted to highlight, while lessee accounts have actually been from 2015 to 2017, accounts have been audited. 2018, 2020 are with the Auditor General's report. You need to get your facts right before you speak. Fiji Airways was successfully able to negotiate with existing financiers to defer principal payments for 2 to 4 years, reprofiling debt repayments for 7 years, and with aircraft lessors for 6 to 9 months rental payment deferrals. All these actions reduce our monthly recurring fixed costs down from Fijian $39 to Fijian $25 million. This was a key measure to preserve cash. The Fijian government supported these moves from the outset and provided the necessary government guarantees to achieve this financing, of course, which Parliament approved. Parliament approved it in May of this year, an amendment to the guarantee for the Fiji Airways borrowings to be valid until the guaranteed facilities are discharged by the lender or fully settled, and that Fiji Airways pay a one-off fee of 15% on the Fijian $455 million government guarantee. This financing program to tide the airline through the unprecedented COVID pandemic and resulting crisis for aviation was a gargantuan task. It is still continuing now. That is clear borders will remain shut through the end of the 2021, much later than what Fiji Airways had envisaged and hoped. The airline has 28 versions of a 7-year monthly financial forecast and actions to take for each, which was the only way that financiers were confident and approved the various financing actions like reprofiling loans and lease repayment terms. It is imperative that the new loans added to the airline due to COVID-19 and enforced border closures at the maximum possible repayment period, ideally between 10 to 15 years, with low interest rates and only interest rates in the first 2 to 4 years. In other words, no principal payments. Government, Mr. Speaker, sir, is proud to confirm that Fiji Airways obtained new loans ranging from 7 to 15 years at interest rates ranging from 3 to 5%. In addition, it is the only airline who uniquely negotiated 9 months aircraft rental payment deferrals with aircraft lessors, where the total deferral amounts are repaid over 6 years as a new loan. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.